Let's explore how digital images are formed. A pixel, or picture element, is the smallest unit of a digital image. Each pixel stores color information as numerical values representing different amounts of red, green, and blue light. When combined, these create the full range of colors we see. Resolution refers to how many pixels an image contains. Higher resolution means more pixels and typically more detail. Here's a comparison between low and high resolution images. When we take a photo with a digital camera, light enters through the lens and hits a sensor that converts light into electrical signals. These signals are then processed and stored as digital data, creating the image file we can view on screens. The quality of a digital image depends on several key factors. First, pixel count or resolution. More pixels generally mean more detail. Second, bit depth, which determines how many colors can be represented. Higher bit depth allows for more subtle color variations. Finally, compression, which affects how the image data is stored. Less compression preserves more detail but results in larger file sizes. Now that we understand how digital images are formed, let's look at how we perceive them. Human visual perception is a fascinating process that begins when light enters our eyes. Light reflects off objects and enters our eyes through the cornea, which begins to focus the light. The light then passes through the lens, which further focuses it into a clear image on the back of the eye. This focused light strikes the retina at the back of the eye. The retina contains specialized cells called photoreceptors. The retina contains two types of photoreceptors: rods, which detect light intensity and allow us to see in dim light, and cones, which detect color. These photoreceptors convert light into neural signals that travel through the optic nerve to the brain. The signals travel to the visual cortex, a region at the back of the brain that processes visual information. Our brains interpret these visual signals based on several factors, including contrast, color, patterns, and our previous visual experiences. Optical illusions demonstrate how our brain's interpretation can sometimes differ from physical reality. In the Hermann grid illusion, you may see dark spots at the intersections, even though they don't actually exist in the image. When we look at images, they can come from different sources. Printed photos reflect light off paper, while screens emit light directly. Despite these different sources, our visual system processes both types of images in similar ways to create our perception.